up, and welcome back into my YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. This is the budget build Tahoe. I bought this thing back in January of this year. We've been doing a little bit of a makeover to it, new front end headlights, painted the mirrors, touched up some paint on the rear. We did a leveling kit and an exhaust to it. Today, we're going to be working on the front end a little bit. I have a couple things I need to do: new distributor, new AC condenser, and yeah, we're going to be replacing this hood. So don't worry if I put a big old dent in it, no big deal. But if I got you and you like gritted your teeth when I jumped up here, you have to give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, this hood is junk. There's a few dents in it. The paint is gone. It matches the roof of the truck. So yeah, we have a new one. I did a quick, like 30-minute paint job on it the other night. Thought I got some footage, but apparently I did not. So yay for me. But I did get some footage of me sanding the hood, which is fine. And then also we're gonna be buffing it just real quick today to get it slapped on here. And I'm sure once I throw the new hood on there with this slick paint job, the old Tahoe is not gonna know what to do. It's gonna be probably getting like 32 mpg acting like a Prius, because all that wind is just gonna be slipping right off. Well, I take that back. I'll say 25 mpg, because the roof up there has still got a little bit of texture to it. It's gonna cause our mpg to drop back down. But once we get that thing fixed, you bet your sweet butt it's gonna get 32 mpg. But enough of me yapping. Let's go ahead and get to buffing. And then my dad's actually gonna help me. We're gonna swap this thing over. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get a lot of this stuff pulled apart on this. So I know I gotta take this latch off, possibly my spring, which that should come, and then unplug the light and dismantle it. And then maybe the matting. All right, well, I'm a complete liar. It's got the hood latch, the spring. The only thing it doesn't have is the light, which obviously my light works real well. So, I might save the spring and the hood latch. Maybe the matting. I mean, the matting's in really good shape, which is shocking. What do you guys think? Should I save it? I'll show you guys real quick. Should I save the matting? I don't know how expensive it is, but I mean, it's really clean. And like I said, I'll probably end up saving the latch here. And then I'll probably end up pulling that spring apart and just throwing it in a box and labeling it, and yeah. But like I said, I do have a new distributor for this thing. It kind of has a hiccup, and I'm hoping that takes care of it. I got to do that at some point. And then when I was remounting the light bar on this thing, I poked a hole in the AC condenser. So I got to do that. But I don't know if I like the GMC grill on this. I might end up swapping back to a Tahoe or Chevy style, because I mean, I'll still be able to use the light bar. But my plan was, to take this and stick it on there like that, but I don't think my little studs here are long enough. I mean, I bet that looks pretty good. I mean, I guess I could go there too. You go angled. Something like that. I think it needs to be like somewhere through here. Like I said, my little studs on the back aren't long enough to put a nut or anything on. So I don't know if I got another emblem laying around. I might do some digging real quick and find out. Alrighty guys, so I had my wife run down real quick. I didn't want to have to call her. Dad said he wasn't going to be home till like 7:30, so the wife packed up the son real quick and came down here and gave me a hand for 5 minutes. But look at that. Much, much nicer. There's a few dings I didn't hit, but I am not super picky. Like there's a little spot here, and then there's a spot right in there. You guys, yeah, you can see it right there. So I'm gonna give you guys a brief rundown on what I did. So I bought the hood for 50 bucks, I think. Anyway, bought it super cheap, sanded it. Obviously, I should have footage of that, as long as that didn't go bye-bye along with me painting it. But we did that, sanded it, and then I literally just pulled it to the edge of the shop here like 4 days ago, and mixed up a single stage paint, and there literally put 3 coats on real quick. It's not 100%, like I said. There's some dings and dents in it, and then there's a few, I mean, spots like where bugs got in it, a little bit of dirt flake, but I'm literally painting in my shop. I just wanted it done. If I wanted to be super picky, I would have painted it at work, where we have a little bit nicer setup. Actually have like a, I'll call it like a prep booth with a big curtain we can slide shut, and exhaust system. But yeah, that is much, much nicer looking. I think the next step, like I said, I don't know if I want to go back to the Chevy grill. My plan is to color match everything. So I think I'm going to use the bumper I bought for the 98, which is right there. I'll paint it, put it on. We'll still have the lower valence. I think I'm going to color match the lower valence. So everything is going to be color matched. And then I think I'm going to leave the chrome or polished wheels. I don't think I'm going to run the 15s forever. I might try to upgrade to like an 18 by 10 or something to kind of give it a little bit of offset, but go back to more of an all-terrain. The mud tires, I mean, it looks good and stuff, but obviously I'm driving this every day, and those bastards are a little whoa, 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 down the road, and it kind of gets a little annoying. But I got to fix the rockers, and there's some other stuff I need to do, but I haven't decided if I want to wrap it just black and I don't have to worry about buying paint and having the body work 100%, or what my plans are. I do know eventually I want to throw a cam in it, probably just upgrade everything, throw some headers on it, and then do a little bit nicer exhaust. But for now, it being a budget build, it turned out great from this to that. So it turned out really, really good. Like I said, we should improve our fuel MPG quite a bit. But I'm going to go ahead and probably just rinse this thing off real quick. Actually, I might wax it real quick, and then back it out, see what it looks like in the sun, and then I'm going to go get this video edited. But anyway, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.